Hey, what is up guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it for another Supreme unboxing. Got this nice big boy package, and I got two other little things that I won off eBay. Well, one on one. Right here we have the Supreme Post-it notes from Fall Winter 2014. I just won these for like $2 on an eBay auction. There's this colorway and a white colorway. And I also bought another box of Supreme Balloons cough drops. These are still wrapped, but why not? So, I guess you can kind of tell what's in here. So let's cut this bad boy open. Oh man, alright. This is a big Supreme bag. So, we got the big Supreme bag, and of course, we have the Supreme Super Soaker. I guess first let me, we got two box logo stickers, so just plop those down there. So, now this dropped about 2 or 3 minutes late, and I actually screen recorded the drop, and it was basically me and my friend Nick sitting in the gym right around lunchtime, just going back and forth. Well, actually no, it was a half day, so it was technically me in gym class, and in the middle of a hockey tournament, and I just stopped everything, and it was me going back and forth between my school Wi-Fi not working, so me trying to get onto the website on my phone, and the app still not refreshing, and then I finally go back to the app, and I refreshed it. The first time I got it in the cart, it worked. I was going through the CAPTCHA, and then it just glitched, and it sent me to the bags portion of the app. So then I had to redo it again, put in the CAPTCHA, and it did go through. But we have the Supreme water gun. Wowzers. This is a lot bigger than I thought, and now I need to find a place to put this, because I was gonna put it on my little accessory area over there, but I don't know where that would fit exactly. But I'm not going to take it out just because of collectors purposes, because you know it's going for around 70 on StockX, but this is something that I feel like is going to be worth a lot, and I definitely regret selling this. But you know, I think, you know, now that I am going to be a junior, this is something I may or may not use for Senior Assassin. So it's got the Supreme decal on the front right there on the tube. That is all it says when it comes to Supreme. So obviously you got the little sugar right there. You pump this, and if I'm right, it goes 35 feet. No, 20. It holds 26 fluid ounces, and it's not telling me how far it goes. But I'm pretty sure if I read it correctly, it goes 35 feet. So that's pretty far. But so the Nerf Supreme Super Soaker, I 100% say get this now on StockX while it's cheap, because you know, like a lot of accessories, they're not bricks, but they stay at a certain price, and then I'd say at the end of this season it's going to shoot up a lot. But yeah, so the Supreme Super Soaker. So let me know what you guys think on this. I think it's pretty fire. So I'll see you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe, favorite, all that good stuff, and I'm out.